guys, Randall here, Bragging Rights Precision Reloading. Today we're doing a how-to video that I have on my website on how to use our primer slide alignment tools for the Hornady AP Progressive Press. Great press, love the product, just kind of a pain to get the primer slide centered and set up. Normally you would have to look down through the center of the body here, or the retainer, and you would have to align the hole for the primer and the primer slide with the bigger hole. Not always the easiest thing to do by eye. If it's 30 of an inch off or more, it'll lock up or they won't feed. If it locks up, of course, breaks the retainer bracket. Hornady's very good about sending you a free replacement, but you have to wait on it, and we can eliminate it breaking in the first place with a proper setup. There's two of them, one for the large, one for the small primers. Very easy. Start, remove the fiberglass rod, the main primer tube, tube housing. Funnest part is removing the spring, and please always remove the spring. If that spring is not removed, it puts tension on it and you may not get a perfect alignment like you want. Spring's always the funnest part of the equation. Put the ram all the way at the top. Loosen the retainer bracket. Push it all the way back. Push your primer slide all the way back. Use the proper tool for the slide. And if you're unsure, you can use them as a gauge to make sure you got the right primer tube and the right slide, so they kind of double up as a set of gauges. Just simple. Drop it in the hole and watch it drop in. Just pull the slide out, dropped right in. Easy peasy. Now once it's locked in, slide the guide wire over to it until it touches the pulley. Do not put too much pressure. It just has to barely touch, and that's your proper alignment. More than that, you'll wind up with issues. So now, just remove the tool. I'm going to lower the ram. Again, the spring is always the funnest part. But again, it's a must to remove. There we go, not too bad. Reinstall the tube housing or retainer. Make sure you put the notched end of your tube back in first. The top retainer. Now we're just going to put some primers in by hand just to show how it works. Always use your fiberglass rod. It's there for a couple of reasons, one of which is to put just enough weight on the primers. When you get down to the last one or two, it helps make sure that they feed into the hole. So cycle your press, bam, primer every time. System's working fine. Cycle it again, bam, got a primer. That eliminates all the problems as far as alignment goes, with your primer feed. Hope you guys have a blessed day. We will see you the next time.